Step 1. Understanding the Long Session ID, NNID, feature. The Long Session ID, NNID, feature allows you to keep the same IP address for longer than a standard session, making it ideal for tasks that need consistent IPs without frequent rotation. This guide uses the NNID 0 parameter, which will hold the IP for up to 30 minutes. Step 2. Get the curl link. Extract the curl link from the admin panel dashboard as shown. Step 3. Setting up the command with your details. To use the Long Session ID feature, open the command prompt by typing CMD and press Enter. This will open the command prompt where the curl link needs to be pasted and amended. Copy the curl link extracted from the dashboard, shown in Step 2, and paste it into the command prompt window. Replace res with resfix to specify a fixed residential IP. Step 4. Retrieve the unique token for persistent IP. After running the command shown above, you'll receive a response that includes a header, XNNLLS. This unique token allows you to keep the same IP for multiple requests. Step 5. Use the unique token for subsequent requests. To maintain the same IP across multiple requests, replace NNID 0 with the unique token S shown. Step 6. Run the command with unique token. The unique token is specific to the initial country you selected. For instance, if you initially selected a UK IP, then using the token will maintain a UK IP for the session. Refreshing the IP. Each time you want a new IP address, revert to NNID 0 to generate a fresh unique token. This will assign a new IP based on your country choice and start a new session.